This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Priscilla Batista. Beautifully updated Fort Mill townhome. Open floor plan with completely remodeled kitchen including a huge kitchen island, quartz countertops, extraction hood and stainless steel appliances including a beverage refrigerator. Wood laminate floors and neutral paint throughout. Upstairs are 2 large bedrooms, and a beautifully updated bathroom, complete with granite vanity, and shower and bath. Look out the back and enjoy the gorgeous natural and private view. You will feel as if you live in the mountains. HOA provides lawn maintenance and community pool. This coveted location has highly rated schools and is close to shopping, dining, gyms, and downtown Fort Mill just minutes away. For more information, review the details below.